Welcome to Wine Fact Wednesday. Did you know that despite sommelier and wine professions generally being dominated by men for so long, women are actually superior natural tasters? Well, it's true. Whilst research continues, studies have shown that women of reproductive age can detect faint odours up to 11 orders of magnitude lower than men. This is a colossal difference and may explain why women are more susceptible to chemical intolerance syndromes. That is to say, they're irritated by aromas at very, very low levels. It is, however, not just random. The ability is heightened with focus and training, and whilst men can reach similar levels of acuity, it takes them considerably longer to do so, especially in blind tasting scenarios. Why women are superior tasters is currently undetermined. Scientists have speculated that hormones are involved, and it may serve the dual purpose of both detecting contaminated and toxic foods and being able to recognize and bond with kin, as of course we come from social animals. Even amongst the genetic outliers that are super tasters, women have a significantly higher representation. Regardless of precisely why, it is irrefutable that women are superior natural tasters to men, and in my view, ought to make up more than the 20-something% of the sommelier community that they currently do. Until next time, cheers.